What's up, guys? We just bought this car, and we're not gonna fix it.
Make, model?
It's a 2011 Forester. We're not gonna fix it, but a couple of guys want to know how to remove the SRS airbag module out of the car, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it really fast, because this car smells like shit, and whoever owned it was a pig. So I hope you're watching. Whoever owned the car, please don't leave it. This place is a mess. This is disgusting. So first thing first, I'm gonna remove this knob out of the way. Give you a better idea what we're doing. In here, there's a bunch of pennies, and there's 2 tins down here. Oh, by the way, when I found these chocolates, there's a bag of these chocolates that were not open, so thank you for the chocolates. I did eat them, they were pretty good. Unscrew this tin, and unscrew this tin. And then this guy here, the e-brake, if you pull up like this, it gets out of the way. There's a little screw right here. Can you see it? This guy.
Can you point to it? The screw, where you got it from?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
I got it right here.
Cool.
And then if you grab it from the sides like this, it will come up and move out of the way. Just push it back just a hair bit. So pick it up and just push it back. Don't do anything to it. Right here, let me move this out of the way so I can close this, so I can show you guys what's going on. Right here, if you stick your screwdriver or flathead right here and just prop on it and hold it, you see this? Look at this. Just a little. Let me pull this keyhole thingy out of here. Oh man, my handy dandy. There you go. Be careful, because you'll scratch your board. I'm being careless because this car's disgusting. Push down with your key in here and put this in somewhere else besides park. So this piece will come out nice and easy. And what do you know? There's your SRS module. There's 112 back here, way back here. There's 112 way back here. FYI, unplug the battery before you do any of this. Push this tab right here and pull this way, and it'll pull this harness out of the way. Okay. Now, there's a 12 right here. You can't miss it. It's right here, looking at you. One number 12 right there. One right there. Right down there, right in front. And there's 2 back there. Get your number 12 on the short 12 on the ratchet and undo all 3 of those bolts. This will come out. And once you remove that, go ahead and send it out and get it repaired. Send it to us, we can repair it too. Send it back to you and you put it in. And if everything else is done correctly, it will turn the light off. And then just go ahead and reassemble. This piece going back in, you know, let's say we got the new unit in, we're gonna go ahead and plug it back together. So go ahead and put this in, and if you push it, it's gonna wanna pretty much just clip in. Make sure you get that click. Don't plug it in until you got all 3 of these tight. Once that's done, and you got this all apart, pull this cover off and clean it if it's a mess. Or this thing, look at this. Put this puppy back in. And just slide. Don't force any of it. If you force, it's gonna break. But voila. Put it in park and just follow your steps back. This piece will go back forward. Make sure you put that screw that I took out and threw over there. Make sure you put that screw back in there. And then this guy has these little guides. They slide in. That's pretty much it on how to take your SRS brain out.